I will show you how to transfer videos from iPhone to PC in absolutely no time, and I will simplify this process a lot, and I will be very quick and straight to the point. That being said, let's get this tutorial started and let me guide you through it. First things first, we'll be using Google Drive app for this tutorial, so if you don't have it, install it from the App Store really quick. After it is installed, open it and sign in into your Google account with your Gmail address and the password. If you don't have one, you can create an account for free. This will be how the interface will look inside the app. In the bottom right corner, you can locate the icon of a plus, which I will tap on, and Google Drive is asking what type of file you'd like to upload into the cloud. I will select upload file and tap on photos and videos, and I will press on allow full access so they can see what's inside my iPhone. And at the recent, I recorded a 10 seconds video which I would like to send to my PC for these tutorial purposes, so I will just select it and press on upload. Now the file is being uploaded to our Gmail cloud, and as I refresh, you can see the recording right at the top. Now on the second part of this video, we have to move to the computer. Open an internet browser of your choice on your Mac or PC, like Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla, Firefox or whatever, and search for Google Drive. Very important here, you have to sign in into the same Gmail account you sign in on your iPhone. Here inside your cloud, select the video which you uploaded from your iPhone and press on the 3 vertical dots and hit download. Now the same video I uploaded to the cloud from my iPhone is being downloading to my PC.
I hope this tutorial helped you out to transfer videos from your iPhone to your computer, and I hope you have a great day.